Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to install DeepSeek AI locally to Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. We use that offline from our PC or laptop, not from the net. This is the best way to install it on the Windows PC or laptop. Before go to this video, if you not subscribe this channel, then subscribe this channel and also click on the bell icon. So let's go to our video. Go to the any web browser that you like. I'm going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type OLLAMA. Here type OLLAMA and go to the first link. It is the ollama.com. Open the first link. Here we find three options: Mac OS, Linux and Windows. We are using Windows, so click on the Windows. Here we find download for Windows and it's required Windows 10 or higher, and we are using Windows 11. It's also work with the same on Windows 10 also. Click on download for Windows and wait for a few seconds. Our download is started in a few seconds. Wait for a few seconds. It's a large file. It is a very large file and it's take some time, so be patient and wait for a few minutes to download to complete. I download it on the desktop. Click on the start download. It's take, in my case, it's take 1 or 2 minutes or the 5 or 10 minutes. In your case, if internet speed is slow, then it's take some time. So be patient and wait for a download to complete. And if you're not using IDMA or downloaded software, then it's downloaded at here at the top in a Google Chrome. Go to here and download it from there. Okay, in my case, it is downloading from the IDMA, directly from the IDMA. Our download is completed. Cancel it. Here we find on desktop our setup file. Click on that setup file. Right click on that setup file. Here we find run as an administrator. Click on run as an administrator. Click on the yes. Here we find installation. Click on the install. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. It's take few minutes. So be patient and wait for 1 or 5 minutes. Our installation is now completed. Go to the start. Type CMD. Right click on the command prompt and click on run as administrator. Run as administrator is IMP. Click on the yes. Make a center it. Here type OLLAMA. And if you find this kind of the list, that means your OLLAMA is perfectly installed on your PC or laptop. Our next is go to our Google Chrome once again, and this time go to the models. Here we find models. Click on the models. Here we find DeepSeek R1. Here we find many things: 1.5B, 7B, 8.B, 14B, 32-bit and higher. Okay, we are using on the home PC or the normal PC. Then go to the here and go with the 7 or 8. 7 or 8B is good for the average PC. And if you have a large PC, then go to the 70B or higher. In my case, I have a average PC or the home PC. I am using on the my home PC or the my average PC. Then go to the 7B or 8B. If you have a very high range of this PC, then go to this 70B or higher. Okay. In my case, I go to the 8B. And after that, here we find one link. Here we find copy button. Click at here. And go to our command prompt. Go to our command prompt and paste it at here. Ctrl V on our keyboard and hit enter key. Ctrl V on our keyboard and hit enter key on our keyboard. It's take few minutes. Now it is installing. It is on 5.9 GB and it's take lots of time. So be patient and wait for lots of time to download and install this model on the your PC or laptop. So wait for a few minutes or few hours. DeepSeek AI is installed on our Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. Now next step is test it. I type it here, hello. Hit enter key. Now it's give a reply to us. Now I type something. Who are you? And hit enter key. Now it's thinking. And it's showing me I am DeepSeek R1 artificial intelligence and give information about us, about DeepSeek AI. Now I want to close it and I restart our DeepSeek. So first press Ctrl T on your keyboard. Now it's exit from the DeepSeek AI. Close it. Go to the start and type CMD. Right click on the command prompt. Click on the run as administrator. Click on the yes. And here I type OLLAMA and hit enter key. And I type OLLAMA list. Now here we give the name of our DeepSeek. Here we find DeepSeek, then the R1 and then our bit I8B, 7B or 14, 32, any bit. Then right click on it, select this and Ctrl C on your keyboard and go to here and paste it at here. And after that, before pasting, just type OLLAMA run. And after that, type this thing from DeepSeek to here or paste it Ctrl V and hit enter key on your keyboard. Now it start our DeepSeek. Now we can ask anything to here. Here I ask, can you write me a short story for a little kid book of a dog and little boy? And I hit enter key. Now it's thinking and it's get a story, a fresh story for us from the our Windows 11 local. It is not going to the internet or not going to the official server of the DeepSeek. Our server is on our PC or laptop, and this story is written by our DeepSeek from our Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is not going to the any other server. We are going to our taskbar. Right click on the taskbar and click on the task manager, and here we find our performance. In a performance, go to the here performance, and we can find it's using our memory, and that means using our CPU and also using our memory, and it is writing a story for us. Here we find our CPU and memory is using by our PC or laptop. It's actually using by our DeepSeek. DeepSeek is using our CPU and memory. It's not going to the server, to the DeepSeek server, and then write the story. It is writing the story from our CPU and memory. This is the best feature of the DeepSeek. It is an open AI. Everyone can use that AI on our PC or laptop and write or do anything or ask anything or add any code. It's also usable. Best thing is it is write a code for us. Now DeepSeek write a short story for me. It can write anything, or you can ask anything about coding or any other information that you want. It can give anything from your PC or laptop. Now we want to select it. I go to here and from mouse circle I select this box or this text. I select this text. I go to the scroll, hover to the top and go to the here. And I select from this thing and press Ctrl C on my keyboard, and go to the notepad, and I go to the new tab and paste it here at here. And here we find our story. Our entire story is written by our PC or laptop by our DeepSeek AI or the R1. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.